eyes, my nose tasting your mouth. Come on, Smokey, it's time to race. Let's have us a high-speed chase. Fair enough, working the road. Where am I supposed to go? Time to use my backup plan. Catch me if you can. Hey, hey, Mr. Policeman. I bet I can run faster than you can. Big $5 billion cowboy boots, $100 says you won't shoot. I know these words like the back of